All right, all this week we've been talking about capacity, which is how much something holds. So we talked about things like this is my bowl that has Cheerios in it. We talked about things that, like bowls and cups and different things like that. And so today we're going to do an activity where you're going to measure how much something holds. Now, in order to do this, you need a crayon, or you could use a marker. I'm going to use a crayon. Oh, mine's bent a little. And I needed a piece of paper, and then I needed some small things that I could put inside of what I'm getting ready to measure. So I chose Cheerios. Now, you don't have to use Cheerios. You could use Fruit Loops. You can use Legos. You can use M&Ms. You can use counters that I gave you, like you could use your cubes or something like that. So just pick something that you can put inside of what we're getting ready to draw. Okay, so the thing we're going to measure is our hand. So I'm going to put my hand on my paper. I'm actually going to draw around my hand like this. You may have to have somebody help you, or you can also do it on your own. It does not have to be perfect, but I'm going to go around my whole hand on the paper like this. Now this part has been left. Oops. This part has been left over here, this gap right here, so I'm just going to draw a line straight across there. Now, I'm going to see how many Cheerios, and my hand is a big hand, so I have a feeling we're going to be counting for a while. So I'm actually going to pour mine in like this first. I want to be sure that they aren't like this is stuck together. I want them to lay flat. Like that. I want to be sure that I have Cheerios in every finger, right? So that they fit every single finger. Need some Cheerios. And I don't know, I don't think mine's, well, I guess it could be 2 of them wide. Let's do it that way. Hope I have enough Cheerios. Sally's got a big hand. I'm going to put some more Cheerios in over here, like so. Measure them. So, Miss Holly's hand, do you think it's going to hold 100 Cheerios? Do you think it's going to hold 50 Cheerios? Wonder how many Cheerios it's going to hold. Sure does seem like a lot, doesn't it? Gotta move these around over here to go up in my finger. Okay. They're gonna be squished up together. I hope you've been having fun measuring capacity, how much different things hold. I know when I was a little girl, my mama used to give me plastic bottles and measuring cups and stuff like that that I could use in the bathtub. And kind of had a dual purpose. I played with them, but she also used them to rinse my hair. So that was always fun. She also would give me plastic pots and pans that she wasn't using. Whenever we were cooking in the kitchen, she would do her cooking and I would use my pots and pans. I liked to pretend to cook when I was little. I remember doing that. And then as I got older, I did those kinds of things with my grandmother in the kitchen. I used to cook with my grandmother. So it was fun because later they would say, well, so how many? Are you going to need a bigger bowl or a smaller bowl? Is all of that going to fit in there? And so that all came in handy whenever it was time to cook with my grandmother or my mother, because they would have me pick out the correct size bowl or pan that we were going to need for cooking. Okay, almost done. And I would never have known if I had the right one or had any idea about that if I hadn't cooked with them and played with some of the things that that we used. So that was a lot of fun. Okay, lots of Cheerios. Now, in order for Miss Holly to count these, I'm actually going to take them off the paper as I count them, because looking at all of these Cheerios makes me a little bit cross-eyed anyway. Okay, I don't think I can fit any more in there. Do you think I can fit any more? I don't think I can. Okay. Maybe one here. Okay. So I'm going to start taking them off, and I'm going to count them as I go. And I have a feeling there are a lot of Cheerios on here. We will see. Are you going to guess 50, 100, 75, 72, 84? You guess right now, and I'm going to start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Oh my goodness. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Oh, my goodness. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114. 114 Cheerios in Miss Hiley's hand. Oh my goodness. 114 Cheerios, boys and girls. Okay, now if you don't want to draw a hand, you could draw a circle and measure inside the circle, a triangle. You could draw a rectangle. You could draw a square, or almost any shape you could think of. Fill it in and count how many of your small objects will go inside the shape for its capacity. All right, boys and girls, I will talk to you later. I hope you've enjoyed learning about capacity.